Hi Mikes, Josh here. So I hope you're enjoying your bachelorette party since in a few months time kakasal ka na. So bilang na lang ang araw na single days pa. So yung first kami nagkilala ni Mikes was back in grade school. Mag-classmate kami during grade 4. For yellow kami noon yung section. So yung impression ko sa kanya was very matalino at sobrang sipag. Like, nung kasing grade school kami, ina-announce namin yung mga score. Tapos pag narinig ko yung mga score niya, laging mataas. No, Mikes? So, yung best thing about being friends with Micah is she's very jolly. Kayang-kaya niyang magpasaya ng mga tao. And sobrang low maintenance ng friendship. Like, weeks, months, and baka nga pwede, kahit years hindi mag-usap. Pag nag-chat ka lang, parang walang nagbago. So, that's one of the best traits of Micah. Yung pagiging low maintenance niyang kaibigan. So, yung favorite memory ko with Micah was nung nagla Union kami a few years back. So, doon ko lang siya nakakilala. Tsaka sobrang comfortable niya talagang kasama. Sobrang bait din. So, yung message ko kay Mikes now is, dahil malapit na siyang makasal, I hope you retain your happy personality. Magtulungan kayo laging dalawa ni soon-to-be husband, si Gab. And know that me and your friends are always here, cheering and supporting you. So, wag na wag ka pa rin mahiyang mag-reach out sa amin kahit may asawa ka na. That's it, Mikes. Love you.